ehu hia mpo se obeho enti na ye kire yen do e de akire o my Ghana na kwan ye fa so akire yen do no se ye bedi nkomo afa o my no se de be o my no betimi afa no ntuma pa e de fran sem bebre nema bebre na ekoso eno nti ye bedi hu nkomo na semi sorry ahomachi na me ba edru eye your days bi o se Wednesdays and Fridays who say enipa bebre enam kwan ho na one day na mbisa say na a day na omo ye omo free hin omo say omo kompaibo obi ka chem say they went for prayers omo kompaibo I'm so oh good edru awia obi tumi tu ne shop mu o say me kompaibo efri anopa kosi anwumre na onum na o hyempaibo bia e kire say we attach importance to empaibo enti yetimi gya ye dwuma ye kura ho na yesi ye ko akobɔ mpaye obi gyae adwuma ɔyɛ adwuma edi sika bre no o gyae ho de bra o so ɔde kɔyɛ adwuma no agya ho o so ɔde kɔbɔ mpaye na asema abeto dwa yenti aho abaka ne se ene asofo a onyankopɔn ede wɔn ama yɛn se ɔmo ɛyɛ ɔno onyankopɔn no ne mouthpiece se wona ofo won so ekasa kire ne ma no yanti enam so ma ye tempenten kwa eja ye nnwuma ho ekọ wo mo asori se ye kompaebo ensam wo mo ka kire ma ye ja nnwuma no ho de I don't know but ye ja ye nnwuma ho ko bompaye esan se ye wogidie bi se ye ko won na so ko bompaye niema be ye yie enti nyankopon aye won se they are his mouthpiece ono efa won so na wakasa e de a kire yen but niema bi so ho a wo se ye hwe ne yie Jeff, Matthew chapter 7, verse 15. Matthew chapter 7, verse 15. Or say, beware of false prophets, which come to you in sheep clothing, but inwardly they are ravening wolves. Ye shall know them by their fruits. Do men gather grapes of thorns or figs of thistles? Wana ye fra a dear fua, womo ye ko naso, anasa womba ye hono yen hwe wonye. Esan se dodo no ye. Eye e kan se sisire a wo hye eye enwanhoma wo de enwanhoma e na edura won ho sisire a wo de enwanhoma edura won ho na o se ye behunu wo mo a won aba wo so no e na edi behunu wo mo won aba wo so e na edi behunu wo mo enti na ye njaje obia na emom aba asofo no bi eso no eno na ye de bekasa aba wo so no e na ye de bekasa because ye hunu se it affects the GDP of the country, whether you like it or not, because so to me jai wa juma ho now kasa wo koso for akobom paye e juma wo ye no waja ho akwa akobom paye their activities affect the GDP of the country in one way or the other enti e won sunsuan so wo mani nyina so ene wo ankasa wo tirem no ankrankra no onso so ye wa sofo bi as say Woma dani womo ho eye pollsters, political pollsters. Easter say woma hwe ne Awurade de ahya won sa no, woma jai na womo ye predictions. Ebi predict football, ebi predict the obewini eye tournament, ebi predict political parties, the obeye flag bearer, the obeye frankatuni. Say e say eno na we say womo afa ekwan mafa so a womo edididi no. They are mechanizing the gospel. Onyankompon asem no na say womo didi ho. Na kwa mo faso didi ho no ne say they have taken their eyes off the ball. Ewrade asem se yenye nkwa wo mo enka sempa enye nkwa enye akra nkwa. Now asofo no bia ye wo ho even financiers for political parties. Na the NCA ehu ne say they are sowing seeds of division among Ghanaians. And the software we ba na obeka say MPP ne be wini, e we so say NDC ne be wini na acheyemu. Even within the church, minimum phobia, I saw them hot, no, ne sofo preacher, obete cho ono, ne sofo preacher, no, wakwa sorry, but obete cho, because commenter sofo no yeno, and yene de. Ojina sorry them ho, and all your political predictions. Akoswa for so many years, I say, ye can't have a didi agro, ye can't say enka, but baby a aircon, he say, eya yehu, I must say, and ne ohwa asofo bi wo hono mu a and woni ye ntino ye de wanim tutu fom ye de kristosom anim tutu fom imam fo bi krampo esoso ni yenti esei eye muslimu isom no ye de nanim edwetwi fam. It is very dangerous. You say Christianity, you say a religion is the opium of the masses. It is yan shedi ya betimi de owie ne e de abre o my Ghana. Yan hwe sa asofo no yi a enam so menne yenya owura Elvis Afriye Ankra. So ono ye presidential envoy for religious affairs. Ono na be kyerɛkyerɛ edi ye ase. Ono na be we edi ye. Se nyankopon akasa kyerɛ wo sofo no. Obi na ti baabi na ono be gye sa edi ye no na wa we no wasom na obisebisa wo doso no ehu se we kura ehu hia anase ehu hia. Baabi a yaduru no. And now sofo no they say obi timi predict say when they be win a World Cup. Na yentie we say Jeff video no the anim ye black no yentie no kan yeni kan entie no yentie osofo a o make predictions.
That is what the Spirit of God has told me. That's what I'm delivering to all those who are following me, all those who want to know what will happen. Brazil will win this cup tonight. So shall it be. And I'm saying this hours before the match is played, so that you get to know that the Spirit of God is truth. He reveals, and so it is. Brazil will win this cup tonight. Thank you.
Now, utie na semna o see the Spirit of God is true. Nyankopon honhom ye no kre. Di Nyankopon honhom na aka say Brazil be win World Cup. World Cup ye kwa wie na no ya. Nyankopon aka say Brazil be di nkonim. Womo ke kan sem no de hye Nyankopon na aman na gidi e wo asori mu egidi e wo sum mu krampo e kofom. And now look at what we are seeing. And na kremoni egina ha o se muntwa weti sofo egina ha o se we mo sabi wo mo nim nyansa munya wo mu sei enti ye the religion e di agro. We are toiling with the minds of the people, with the heart of the people. Religion is the opium of the masses. It is very dangerous trend. It's a very dangerous trend. Now, Papa ya me born voice, your friend Nhyira bedukumi. Nhyira bedukumi ya Ghana ha say. And what can sempi wadan no political poster. Nhyira also bempa sofo, prophet also bempa. And so I akabi nanu ya kokwa eka no asem. Emma odome MPP for ene or say or your NDC ni kane no your MPP and then or predicted for NDC. Say NDC ena ebe win elections. Enti ya kan samna futu ema a sow seed of division among Ghanaians. Womo juma pa wo so mudie no, womo yi omani afiri so. Enti Nhyira Professor Usu bempa na no na also ye MPP ni ono ena de eye na nado ba power ena kire yi say wadane against NPP ene o say MPP for wa beto aba ma umpo wadome you be cursed onu asefo nyina. Look at what is going on. Enti ne wako NDC and as I say there he speaks for the NDC. They are sowing seeds of division. Yema yanina ho as a people. Yes, sorry, Jay and Numa Hose, a Cobam Paye, nay, sorry, Sanko Free from a papa, ye Frawamu or D4. We hail them. Yes, I want a ba and ye dibe who won su, one a ba and ye dibe who womo. Prophet Bedu Kobi or D4 ye. So for be a friend, see ya one. I could pay no say or da ayar sabia, baby or da cranye. Intientie, a summer soft for the kind of D4.
See a general. I try Papa Prophet Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. And that way, and when your friends say, Papa Soya Mopa, Piffy, the man, Trashy, when we should be, and then about hospital.
Facebook number here.
Near about more trust, Papa BP, a costro, a trasso, a broxo grammar, Untiminante, Untimina Papa conditional, and my 10. Now, your twins are for NDC for President John Dramani Mahama, and all the NDC. And penny for the MPs, Ketia, Julius Deborah. So this is one of the prophets. The cry, the case, what Jenemo Aquamam, the Kai in Comshim Empire, Bo Aquanchim. This is the time the man needs you. And make a crayon who the Papa cool. Papa has been through a lot in ministry. In a Kikahon, mind tumor, I've been journey, I'm under pressure. A coastal coffee fire, we ain't getting Kitia become one. Now, Russian about that emergency ward.
Maybe I saw Facebook, never here. Papa osofo pon wa kane nanka ukọ nimkura usuro nsamo kwa na womuka ene sia wan no e ka se NDC for emra emeboa no ni refi and sorry otin say and sorry man no where are they say sorry no ahwete Asori a was pastor for so many years. Asori na wete egu ena baby a oda. Yemfanya sua de. Yemfanya sua de. Esan say yanhwe de yi a nya ekoso no ebetimi e de asem e de abra oman no. Now they are calling on the NDC, not the church members. Odifo ene ye free NDC say NDC for MHL. Indeed, yera ever a free anchor. I can say they have gone there. But why must it take the political party and I was saying not your church members? Adenti and Ankayam Fre and Sorima send sorry may Momehe Musafo and a die. Now we a shadia Cassia Edima Minu Nuna. Say ya quay and Nimno Yabame near Daho. By their fruit we shall know them. Wana ba was one any be homo. So for El Bernard, or no dear or Nidia Kugu, Nano El Bernard, the El Bernard, or no so Equashan come say, Yera Kennedy a compare Kuni Betty MPP Franca tuning on the Benya. Na Ambemuno Yente do Kaye.
Going to ask you to stay here. Neither am I asking you to leave. But in the spirit of humility and accountability, I have told you what I would do for now. I will be back. And
Enti way after say Oshen come say Yera Kennedy a compare Kuni be Franco Tuni ama MPP no. Amemuno they say what say they say a radio jumo de ahye nsa we de sin chen because we faili. Enti adwuma the core mandate radio de amamono they are not and then no more concentrating on now they have become political posters because a hono benyo musika. And suddenly a very dangerous baby idea bedru. Obi asori a no okaseti asofo but wo na wo se wo hweye na ne krakra no se wo so wo sofo bi a odi wanimu a bompa ye ma no because asofo no bebre wo mama ne kwan no wo ma fom kwan no na yanhwe ni a bebi ade oman ne bekọ no yentimi nso ano bebi ade oman ne bekọ yentimi nso ano he se ne Muslim cleric etumi boss of bi asum sofo bi ko gina na o kansem hunu na we so a Muslim ni akogina na o kansem hunu bebi a edi ya bedru ni yenhwe ni ye ne betimi ede odwene ede abre oman no me down say okay Nhyira 104.5 and our suguso a wutie